Sup people, what's jammin'? I'm Rupen from Jammed, and in this episode I'm here to share with you one tip that can help anyone in the creative field work more efficiently. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe and share this video. Just kidding with you. So the tip: organize your workspace. Before you go into the comments section thanking me for wasting your time, please hear me out. I'm pretty sure everyone is capable of doing really amazing work, but only a few are capable of doing amazing work faster. Does that make any sense? Let's suppose that you're a freelancer on this planet, working on a 15-inch laptop in a cafe or something, with that pretty shitty display on a design project that requires you for whatever reason to cut shapes? Hold on, let me find the Pathfinder. Making dashed strokes. Do you kinda get what I'm trying to say here? Organizing your workspace not only looks neat as hell, but also saves you a lot of searching time. You might ask, are these 5 seconds of searching really the end of the world? Yes and no. But let me ask you this. Are these multiple unorganized random windows that you probably don't use on your program really important? Probably not. If you're a casual designer who usually likes to use a software to make things as a hobby, you can ignore my nonsense here. But for professionals, time is money and money is time. If you do more, you get paid more. And all these minutes and seconds that you didn't care about add up in the long run, which you could have spent working on a different project instead of searching for that strokes tab. So to everyone, especially those who use smaller screens or laptops, organize your workspace according to what you use frequently. I do a lot of vector work, so I'm gonna keep the swatches, color, gradient, properties, Pathfinder. Yeah, you get the idea. You don't need to copy anyone's workspace, just note down what you use most frequently and have it on your screen. That way you use your display 100%. Go ahead and save that workspace and use it. It will serve you good. If you're wondering what I'm playing in the background, it's a sci-fi weapon design that I worked on. You will see me working on many random stuff here, so try to get used to it. Thanks for tuning in, and if you find this video helpful, share it with your creative friends, leave a like or even a dislike, and most importantly, subscribe so you don't miss any of my Jammed talks.